Hello and namaste. I am a prem dangar. Welcome you in a Farmindia blog. So friends, today we fill our land with a fertilizer and basically a cow droppings. So today we see how we fill our land with full of the fertilizer with the help of the tractor and a loader. So here we go. So with help of the loader we fill our tractor trolley with this cluster wastage and cow's dropping. After filling this trolley with the cluster wastage, we mix it with the cow dropping and then we fill our land with the full of that mixture. This fertilizer is so good for our crops and this is very natural. In organic farming, their cow dropping and this cluster wastage is very useful. Now we mix cluster wastage and cow dropping with the help of the loader. See how they mix very well. Now we'll fill trolley with the help of the loader. Now we directly unload this trolley in our land. We are making a small heap of this mixture of the fertilizer. Now you can see. Between two heaps we just drop some gap. We making a small heap of this mixture of the fertilizer. Between two heaps, how that will be, this depends on how you want to invest money in farming and fertilizer. So in this land you can see how this is well organized. It is a cow droppings and cluster wastage. So friends, how we fill our land with the fertilizer. This fertilizer is very good for our land. They have a very element they need for our land, like potassium, nitrogen, and many more. So how was the video, friends? If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and watch. Thank you very much.